1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a crossbody lead, double reverse right for the guy. So 1, we're going to hook 2, start turning on 3. We're going to keep rotating on 5, double switch, back charge 6, 7. So now both hands go over the head. Salsa step. 1, 2, 3. We're getting off the slot. So now I'm going to hook on 5, turning to the right. My palms are going up. So I'm going to start turning her 5. They're going to go over her head on 6. My left arm stays to the shoulder. My right arm flicks right. 7. So now I'm going to turn to the right on 1. 1. Prep her to the right. 2. Side step. So now I'm going to give her a quick right on 3. I'm going to step in place. 5. Drag myself with the left hand. 6. Now I'm going to let it drop and push it behind the back as I turn out of the slot to the right. 7. So now I'm going to bring her in on 1. Turn her over the head with the right hand on 2. Now I'm going to step forward with her, letting go of the right hand on 3. So now I'm making her step back, so I'm going to make her step forward on 5. So I'm going to step out of the slot. She stepped forward 5. I'm going to pull on 6, 7, 6, 7, scooping her up, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Salsa step. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to start turning to the right. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to take a step back. 1, forward on 2, turn on 3, finish it 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to go forward on 1, turn on 2, 2. Now step back on 3, turn to the left on 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.